Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So I'm back after a super long break and it feels good to be back. In today's video I'm going to show you my design team package. I have already went through the package and it is amazing. Thank you Jia for curating all these amazing kits. So you can check out ClickKits to purchase these kits. So I'll be sharing the link in the description part. You can check that out. So let me show you all the materials. Okay, I have been using so a lot of times, but please do ignore that. Okay, so let us see the entire package. So these were the products that I chose for myself. So this is a puffy sticker. It's rose in color. Many other colors are available, so you can just check out ClickKits website. Now next is scrapbook binding rings. I have only used the silver color and gold color rings, so this was completely new for me. So I picked out rose color, purple, blue and dark pink. I'll just show you one ring. Okay, so it's really good. I'm excited to use all these scrapbook binding rings. And many other colors are also available in their website. So next one is this sticker. So I have the garden party paper pack with me, but I have already used 3/4 of them, and I have again purchased a garden party kit this time. So I purchased these stickers also. It's really good. I have never used these kind of foil stickers, so I'm excited to use it in my scrapbooking projects. Okay, now next, so I ordered few cardstocks. I think you must have already seen these same shades in my last kit. I bought them again because it's not available in India, so I thought I'll just have them in stock. Again, this one was there in my last kit. It is Jen Hadfield's Reaching Out collection. I absolutely love this pattern because it was floral and I bought them again. And this is Garden Party collection. I love Garden Party. I have made so many projects out of that. You can check out my Instagram handle to see all the projects. Also, I have tutorials for using Garden Party collection, so you can also check that out. These florals are too good. Okay, so that's it for the Garden Party collection. Now comes another beautiful. Oh, okay, there was one more paper. Okay, this is also Garden Party collection. Okay, then comes Jen Hadfield's A Little Avenue paper pack collection. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love the prints in this collection. Here we have a gingham black and white pattern. It's like a fall kind of theme, right? This is Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon collection. I think I have mixed everything and kept because I have already went through the package and I'm not sure. Okay, anyways. So this is Amy Tangerine's Late Afternoon paper pack collection. Okay, this is my most favorite pattern in this whole paper pack. You can use this as a flat lay or also you can just use it for your scrapbooking projects. Next is this. It says beautiful you, celebrate, every moment matters, and all these positive kind of quotes. Another one of my favorite paper pack. It looks like a notebook page, but with some painting splashes over here. Okay, another beautiful pattern. All these are really good and I'm thinking of making a mini album using all this. I'm not sure. So yeah, it's a Hello Autumn, like a fall kind of a paper pack. It's really good. So perfect for a scrapbook layout page. And then here comes my all-time favorite, florals. It's beautiful. I think I bought this paper for like flat lay. I'm not sure because the yellow gingham pattern looked really adorable. So that's it for the papers that I have chosen for myself. Sorry, there's one more. I think, yeah, this one. So this one has cardstocks of different colors. Hot pink, then another pink shade, yellow, then another yellow color, then you have green, then lavender shade, blue, again blue, and finally this green shade. The next kit is this is a seasonal kit and it's perfect for summer. So because it's in summer theme, I'll just quickly show you all these little embellishments and ephemeras. Then I'll show you in detail the pattern papers. So we got this. I actually don't know what is this. It's like a pom-pom, but it's not the pom-poms that we usually have seen because it's in a different texture like woolen threads, small threads kind of balls. I'm not sure. Okay, next is these Simple Stories Bits and Pieces Sunkissed. It has 55 pieces. So I'll randomly show you some of these ephemeras. Florals, then sun, then swimming suit, ice cream, popsicle, then cute little floral. Oh, look at this, a sunscreen bottle. It looks so cute. Sun, of course, summer is nothing without sun. Hello summer, sunglasses, and all this cute little cycle, flamingo. Oh, look at this lemonade. Good times, strawberry kit and strawberry basket. Cute little banner and so many other things. Summer fun, a jar full of lemonade, rainbow, a cute little hat, and some wordings that says blue skies are here. Yeah, and a lot more. There's one more here, sunny days. Okay, so these all ephemeras come in this whole set and it has 55 pieces. So let me just quickly put all these things inside. And then we have decorative brads. It's again from Simple Stories. So these are actually sticker type brads and not the other type. Again we have some chipboards over here. I really love these kind of pouches. It's good to store such like ephemera, stickers and all. Then we have some foam stickers. It's again from Simple Stories brand. So this whole thing is from like Simple Stories paper pack collection. And this side we have Sunkissed, A Day in the Sunshine, Hello Sunshine, Good Vibes, Relax and all these. Okay, next comes our pattern papers. Again full summer theme. These looks like waves, right? Then sun, This is too bright yellow. I absolutely loved it. I have never seen this bright yellow pattern paper. Look at all those floral, bright florals. Wow, this is really good. Okay, so from here onwards, it's from another brand like with vitamin C. I'm not sure whether this is the brand's name. Okay, anyways. Like they have perfectly curated this kit. It's only in summer theme. So that's it for this collection. Now I will show you another collection. So this is my Click Kids base kit, and it has Paige Evans and Amy Tangerine's paper collections. So first I will show you all the ephemeras and stickers. We have a cute little tassel over here, tassel charm with charms. So I have already used these for my flat lay, so you might have already seen them. It's so cute. Look at this ribbon, it's too cute. Okay. So next we have these ephemeras. Again in cute little polka dotted pouch. So this is gold foil. It says hello lovely. Memory, then dreamer, joy. So these can be used for like scrapbookings, for layerings, or maybe you can also use it for journaling purpose. That's it for the ephemeras in this packet. Now let us see this one. We have this cute little sequin mix. And then embellishments. I have already used 2 or 3 embellishments from this. It's really good. Some are very big and some are really small. Then some butterflies. Oh no, it's not butterflies. I think it's moth. I'm not sure. And these are butterflies. And same way we have some bigger ephemeras over here. So actually it's like divided. Small ones in this packet, in the small pouch, and bigger ones in the next one. Okay. So these are all the ephemeras that comes with this whole packet. And then we have some handmade epoxy flares and some chipboard stickers. Okay, so now let's move on to our foam stickers and pattern papers. Again, the pouch, it's really good. So this is the stickers. I think it's foam stickers. Yeah, foam stickers. And then we have some stickers. Again, it's foiled. And then our pattern papers. The patterns are really big compared to the other ones we saw before. This is Amy Tangerine's Brave and Bold from American Crafts. Oh, I really like this pink. Next, Paige Evans pattern paper. And this is acetate sheet. It is foiled. Foil on printed acetate. It is 12 into 12 inch. You just open it. Also, if you're wondering, it is Wonders collection plus some other brands too, because all these are Wonders collection, and we have, as I shown you before, we have also Amy Tangerine's Brave and Bold. So it's a mix of all the collections. So yeah, it is really good. Now let me show you my final kit. This theme is like it is full of travel kind of vibe. It is travel themed. We have some clear stamps, and then comes our paper pack. I'm not sure which language this is. It's not English, other than this love. So we have 2 papers of the same pattern. So this is a final paper. This has to be my favorite. Just a minute. This one. And also I loved the lemon one. This. So yeah, that's it. I have shown you all the paper kits. So if you want to purchase any of these kits, you can check out Click Kits. I'll be sharing the link in the description part. So yeah, happy crafting everyone. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also you can click the bell button so you will get a notification whenever I upload a new content. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. So bye bye.